Ryan here for Silly Reviews. I've been told that I need to get a little direction in my life. I need to get a little direction with work and with business and my finances. So here I am at a remote office and I got a GPS device. So they say I need direction. Now I've got direction. Hopefully I stay focused and I get to the goal, okay? The finish line. This is an older GPS unit, but still very much useful. It's a Garmin Nuvi 52. It needs an update, software update. It's going to update the maps, I suppose, maybe the languages. Who knows? But what I did was, you have to download the Garmin Express application, and then it should be just basically plug and play. But we're going to go ahead and document the experience of using Garmin Express to update your Garmin brand GPS device. Here we go. Let's run it. Do I agree? I'll agree. To what? Who knows? Whoever reads the terms and conditions. Just trying to trust these companies, huh? Dangerous stuff. Yes. Initializing. Great. Installing the Garmin Express. Wonderful. Installing drivers and whatnot. Successfully installed. That's great. So now we're going to launch Garmin Express. Let's see what this launch is all about. Get ready for the launch. Anybody old raver like me remember that one? I think they still play that at ball games. Anyway, here we go. Garmin Express, blah, blah, get started. Add a device. Yes, I want to add a device. Okay, so you're going to plug in a device, ant stick, or memory card. I don't know what an ant stick is unless they're talking about my ping. The only option that I have is going to be to plug in this old school. This is like USB 1 regular plug into the computer. So we're going to go ahead and stick it in. I'm having a little problem here. I'll put a little spit on it. And that should slide in now. Boop bop. Let's see what happens. So it looks like the software is actively searching for this device. The device is powering on. I hope this works. It's a 2003 unit. 2013. Let's see. So not that old, really. I'm going to hit agree. Okay, here we go. Oh, no. What happened here? It says, what are you trying to add? I'm trying to get this thing to recognize this device. Let's see if we go to search again now that it's powered up. That might be the move. Searching, 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 searching. Come on now. I swear, things like this, they just don't work as easily as you'd like. And it also seems like maybe my USB port is not putting out enough current to keep the device powered. That could be a problem. Maybe it's this plug. Let's try a different plug. All right, this is horse shit. I don't have another plug. This isn't working. Garmin Express app to update your Garmin device, your GPS device, or any of all these other things they have. That's going to be a 2 thumbs down from Ryan for Silly Reviews. If you do need to use this software, hopefully it works better for you. If you realize something that I'm doing wrong, and I don't know what that could be, leave it in the comments. Help me out. Ryan for Silly Reviews.